Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. It's Samira's Fashion channel, and in this video today we are going to cut and sew this beautiful off-shoulder top with a bob sleeve. Yes, with a kissy if you are interested in knowing how to make this for yourself, you definitely want to keep watching this video to the end. And if you have not subscribed, please hit the subscribe button and turn on your notification bell. And I hope you have your materials with you. Let's get started.
Yes, we are going to cut our fabric now. This is our material. So now we already folded it, so we want to do the measurement. So the bust of the measurement we are using is 33 and the half length is 15, and we are making off shoulder monoframe. So if you are doing your off shoulder, you have to remove your shoulder length. So we are removing 4 and mark our half length. Our half length I'm marking here is 16, but the actual half length is 15. So because of the sewing along, that's why we are putting that 1 inch on it. So I'm marking it to get our half length, and I'm going to roll it out. So I'm doing the rolling out. So this is, so we have gotten our length now for the blouse. That is for the half length. So now, and we are trying to make a cup. We don't want to just leave it like that, so we are putting a cup on it. So the cup that I'm making at the center line, that is breast and nipple to nipple, I'm marking 3.5. So it's 3.5 that I'm marking here. Please pardon me, you see the chalk is not showing well, but we'll just manage it like that. 3.5. So I want to roll it out on that line that I've marked 3.5. That is what I'm rolling out now. So that is it. We've gotten the center, that is nipple to nipple. So the piercing breast point, that is from the shoulder now that I'm removing that for, we are marking 9. That is to the nipple point, is 9. Under bust is 12, so I'm marking 12. So remember to be removing your shoulder from the table. So I'm doing that now, as you can see. So now I have to roll it. So this is the length from the shoulder to the half length. This is the shoulder to the nipple point. This is the shoulder to the under bust. So that is it. Under bust is 12. So now let's start with our measurement now. So you measure your bust, which is 33, and you divide 33 by 4, because when measuring clothes you use your measurement to divide it by 4, and that's what we are doing here. So divide it by 4. What will it give you? It will give you 8.2. So that's our bust, and you mark it. I've done it. So under bust is 28, so you divide 28 by 4. You divide 28 by 4. So what will it give you? It will give you 7. So you mark it. So this is the 7, that is 28. You mark your waist, that is from your shoulder to your half length. That is where you get your waist measurement. So your waist, the waist of this measurement that we are making is 26. So divide 26 by 4. What will it give you? It will give you 6.5. So that is it. So now you have gotten the body measurement. So let's go and get our cup padded cup to cup it. So I'm using 2 on this line, on this center line. I'm marking 2. So you mark it down to the half length. I'm marking 2. I'm marking it to 2 to the half length, and you roll. So I'm using my roller to roll it. I hope the chalk is showing well for you to see. Please pardon me. So this is it. I've rolled it. So now we want to connect. So we are marking now. So I will take from the under bust to connect to the nipple point. So that's what I'm doing here now. Under bust to the nipple point. Under bust to the nipple point. So now I'm bringing it so this is it. I've gotten it now. So because what I'm trying to do now is off shoulder princess cut. So I'm taking it from this side to the breast point, from the breast point to the under bust, and connect it to the half length. So that is it. We have done it. So remember that I've done the measurement of the body. So now we will not want to shorten our measurement. So what I'm trying to do now is to replace these 2 that we added, because we will cut it out. Without adding it back, we'll shorten the measurement. So I'm adding that 2 to the measurement of our body. Already remember that we already measured our body measurement. So now I'm adding that 2 that we later cut out. So this is the 2, so that we will not shorten the measurement. So I'm adding the 2 back. I'll add the 2. So that's how we add it to the half length. So I'm adding it. So now we've gotten it. So I've added it. Remember, we've added it. So now we'll now add our allowance for it to be balanced. Now already we've done our measurement of the body, and on this line that we added to get our cup to cup very well, remember it's 2. So we add that 2 because we will later cut it out, for us not to finish our shorten our measurement. So we'll add it before we now add our body allowance. So I'm adding 2 to the body allowance too. So I'm adding 2. So you can see it. I'm adding 2. So this is it. We added everything here now. So all you can see now is the body measurement. We have done with the body measurement. So what next are we doing now? We'll cut it out. This off shoulder monostrap top that we are doing on off shoulder. So I'm cutting it. It's very simple. So when cutting your off shoulder, remember to remove your shoulder. Whatever you want to remove from your shoulder, you remove it. I removed 4 from the shoulder. So what I'm doing now is that I'm cutting it out. Yes, I've cut it. So that is it. So this is the side now. I've cut it. So now I'm cutting the middle side. So now this is it. Remember to notch it so that you know the breast point, the under bust. So I'm notching it. I'm notching it. So that is it. So this is how we come about our up shoulder no-go try cut of up shoulder. So this is it. I'm trying to open it for you to see. This is the middle side, that's the front of the middle, and this is the side. So this is the side. Assuming you want to sew it, this side you will now place it. This side you place it, and this side you sew it. So you can see it. You can see it how it look like. So this side it will look like when joining it together. So you will later see it because I will sew it on my machine and you see it how it will look. So please don't forget to subscribe, because we would like you to subscribe for this our page. All right, this is the back side that we want to cut out now. So it should be unfold. I've folded the material now, so I want to lay the front side. We'll use the front side to cut it out. So I'm folding the front side, as you can see, like the middle one of the front. I'll fold it and lay it and give allowance. So I already give the allowance. As you can see, this is the allowance. So you chalk it, or you use a ruler to rule it. So this is it. That is it. So this side is the zip allowance that you can see. So this is the front side that we'll use as the cup. So we'll fold it inside. So I'm folding it inside for you not to get that cup shape again, because we are making the front side the back side. So this is it. I folded it inside. So please try and watch this video again and make sure to learn it more and cut it on your own. That's why we are doing this video for you to know how to cut this material style. So don't forget to subscribe. So that is it. We have laid it, just for us to cut it out now. So I'm cutting it now. I'm cutting it. Try to watch this video again. Watch it over and over to know it, and subscribe and know how to cut it on your own. It's very important. So that is it. So I'm cutting it. That is the back side that we are trying to cut out. So this is it. So please subscribe and watch it over and over so that you know it. So we're done it. We finish cutting. We finish cutting. So let me remove the front side that we place on. So this is it now. This is the back side. So this is it. This is the middle side. This is the zip side. This is the side. I'm giving it a mark for us to know the side. I've just notched the side. So if you want to sew this, how you join it and sew. So this is the middle side. So this is it. So by the time we finish doing it, sewing it on the machine, you will see how it will look like. Okay, this is the front side of the cup that we just finished cutting, and we have joined it and ironed it out. So you see how it formed out. It's very beautiful, very fine. So this is it. So just try it on your own. So this is the back side. We also join it and iron it out. So this is the center back that we have the zip, the side of the body. So we are also join it out. Just try it on your own. So the mono stripe is getting ready. We are cutting the neck now, so I'm cutting it to have that shape of that neck. So this is it. Don't forget to subscribe, and I want you guys to do it on your own. So this is it. We finish cutting it.
Step 1, wake up early, gonna rise with the sun. Step 2, get some good, some food in you. Step 3, think real hard about what you wanna be. Step 4, fuck everybody, just do your thing.
Wake up, today's gonna be a good day. 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 Yo, set your affirmations, aspirations. I got shit to do, the aftermath of preparation. Good food, good mood, blood and circulation. I'm barely breathing though. I always gotta fight and hide from the demons, yo. Negative thoughts are poison, they rot. Head full of flies, so here come the clouds. They'll never stop unless I can swap all the bad for the good in my head when I'm lost. Yeah, so I'ma fake it till I make it. Positive thoughts are overtaken, I got patience. One day at a time is how you operate a cadence. A flow, you grow, you show yourself a foundation. Stay away from all the shit that causes temptation. I know that I like. I've seen a lot of change, been through a lot of pain. Some things are not the same as they were a year.
This is beautiful. Why not try it now after watching this video? You can do it, dearies. Please subscribe to support my channel. You can share my videos with your friends, loved ones, like my videos, comment, friends. Remember to take care of yourself. Thank you for watching. You are the best, guys.
Every day, the past is where it stays. Way back a year ago.